are going to start the 7th lesson of Standard 1. The name of the lesson is Staying Healthy. Staying healthy. Do you want to stay healthy? Are you? I think you are. Because we all want to be healthy and we want to be fit, active enough. Is it? So that one is not an easy way. For this you have to maintain lots of rules. Otherwise it is not possible. So what are the rules? How it is possible? Today we will discuss about this all. Is it? So have a look on the Bibu. He is Bibu. What is he doing? He goes for a walk daily in the morning. Yes, he is working. Now you can say, what is the need of work? I want to be healthy, so that means I will eat lots of fruit, lots of vegetables, lots of water I will drink, and I will be healthy in this way. Isn't it? No, that's not sufficient. If you will do only those things, then after a certain time you will become dull. Yes, you will become dull. So for this reason, you have to know the other things also. Which kind of things you have to know? These things. First of all, you have to get up early. Yes, you have to get up early. Means not like that up to 9 o'clock you are sleeping in your bed. That is not a good habit. So what the habits you have to take? You have to adapt it daily. You have to get up in which time? In very early morning. Yes, at 6 o'clock you have to get up. Then you have to do your different work. That means which work you need to be fresh. Is it? Afterwards you have to go for work. Is it? Then you have to take the food. Then you have to read. Yes, you have to be a good child, isn't it? So what is the way to be a good child? These are the different way. Get up early. Yes, whenever you will get up early, you will get the fresh air of the morning. Is it? If you will get the fresh air, that one will refresh your mind, your body. Yes, it is. On that time, you will be active throughout the day. And one more thing is there. If you will get up early, on that time, what is going to happen? On that time, the length of the day will become more. Yes, it happens. The length of the day will become more. If it is not possible, but at least if you are able to get up, at least at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 4 to 6, not more than that. Is it clear? So always try to get up early from your bed. This is a very good habit to become healthy. And one more thing, the exercise. You have to do different kind of exercise daily. Yes, sometimes it happens that you child, what you are doing? You are doing exercise in one day and another day you are simply sleeping. That one is not a good habit, because in this way you are not continuing it in daily. So daily you have to do, otherwise it won't work out on you. Yes, it won't work out. So you have to do exercise daily. First thing, you have to get up very early. You have to be an early riser. Yes. Next thing, see here the good habits. Different kind of good habits you should follow. Just like the brush your teeth. Very important thing, whenever you will get up from your bed and whenever you are going to bed, that means at the night and morning 2 times, you should brush your teeth. Otherwise, the teeth will be infected with the help of different kind of bacteria. Yes, and your tooth decay will start, and that one will give you lots of pain. Is it? So that's why 2 times. Don't forget, 2 times you should brush your teeth. 1 time, that one is whenever will get up from the bed, that means at the time of morning. In the morning you should do, and whenever you are going to bed, before sleeping on that time, that means after having your dinner and before going to sleep, you should wash your mouth nicely and you should brush your teeth properly. Is it clear? And the thing is the very important thing. See here, what the Vivo is doing in his daily life. Yes, we are right. You are right. That means you need to do different kind of exercise. That means you can go for the walk. Yes, whenever you will go for the walk, the fresh air will come. In this way, you will be active and fit. Next, what are the other things you should do to stay healthy? Yes, they are asking you. Do you know what are the things, other things? Do you know? I am saying it. Yes, I am saying you. What are the other rules? So first one I have told you that the good habits you have to keep ourselves. That means you have to adopt. Those you will keep the things. If you will follow the rules, those will keep you healthy and fit. So what the Vivo is doing, we will see. Vivo always remains healthy. What is the reason behind it? We have to learn about it, is it? So Vivo has some good habits, just like he gets up early in the morning. Yes. Next thing, what is that one? He brushes his teeth in the morning and at night before going to bed. So these two habits, that means he is an early riser. And one more thing is that which one? He is brushing his teeth twice a day. One is at the morning and another one at the night. Is it? And he exercises every day. I have told you, you should continue the exercising process. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day you are doing, then 4th day you are not doing. Simply you are sleeping in your bed. That one is not good thing. Is it? Whenever you are doing one work, you should concentrate on it. You should continue it for daily life. Yes, every day you should do. Only that time it will give you work. It will work out. Is it clear? Next thing, he plays outdoor games. He gives the outdoor games. What is the meaning of outdoor games? The games which one are playing in the ground. Those games are considered as what? The outdoor games. Not like you. That what you are doing, you are playing with your mobile. Yes, you are spending lots of time in your mobile. That is not a good thing. You should concentrate on your study. Then whenever you will get time, you should play the outdoor games. On that time, you will be healthy and fit. Do you want to be healthy and fit, active? I think in your class, lots of students are there, your friends are there. They are doing very fast work, is it? But what is the reason behind? Do you know? Because they are playing the outdoor games. They are not spending the time in the mobile. Yes. So in this way, you can be a very healthy and fit. Is it? In this each and every rules, who is following? The Vivo. He follows the rules. And the thing, he trims his nails regularly to keep them short and clean. Yes, we need to trim our nails because day by day the nails are increasing, isn't it? So if the growth of the nails is very much, so on that case, twice a week you should trim your nails, is it? And that one is not only good thing, you should keep them clean also, is it? Otherwise, what is going to happen? Inside the nails, the different kind of dust particles will be gathered, is it? And whenever you will have the meal, on that time along with the meal, the dust particles, they also will go to your stomach, is it? So on that time, that one may affect to our body. So that is the reason you should clean your nails as well as you should trim them also, is it? And one more thing is there, that whenever you are having to meal, yes, before the meal, after the meal, you should wash your hand in the proper way by applying any hand wash, is it? Otherwise, or any shop also you can use, but you should clean it. Otherwise, what the germs are being present inside our pump, these all are going inside our stomach, is it? So, you should also adopt the rules, and along with the nails, you should trim your hairs also regularly. Yes, otherwise different kind of these maybe diseases may appear in your skull. Yes, it happens. So all of you need to be clean and neat also. Next, I want to tell you about the take bath. Daily you should have take bath. That means how it is possible? Not like that one bucket of water you take and simply you are letting it fall in your body. No, that one is not sufficient. By applying the soap and the water, use amount of water also you should take. Is it? In this way you can be a healthy person. Is it? So you have to take the bath. See here, have a look here. He is taking his bath. Yes, if it is possible, twice a day you should take the bath. And if it not possible, at least one time mandatory you should take. Otherwise, you won't be healthy. And did you observe one thing? When you after having the bath, are you not feeling refreshed? I think so. You and watch one thing, that whenever you are coming from the school, yes, then if you will go for a sure, on that time you will feel more fresh, you will be more active. Yes, it happens. So you can use this rule also for being healthy and fit. And after washing your body, that means after taking the bath, you should comb the hairs also. Yes, you should comb your hairs and you should keep them in tidy manner. Yes. Otherwise, you won't be clean. Is it? Next thing, that means the Vibhu, what he does, he washes his hands before and after eating his meals, and after going to toilet also. Yes, sometimes it happens you don't have time, and after going toilet you are not washing your hand properly. That one is also not good thing. If you want to be a good child, you have to do, because lots of germs are being present. Is it? So that's why you have to clean your hand in the proper way. Is it? After applying, by applying some soap, you wash it, or you can apply any kind of hand wash also. Is it? So in this way, that means you will be healthy. Next thing I want to tell you about the Vishu. See here, Vivu, how is it looking? Doesn't he looking nice? Yes, he looks nice because he is a good boy. He follows this all the rule. Do you know? That's why he is looking nice. If you will follow this all the rule, you also will look nice. Yes, I am giving you the guarantee. If you will follow this all the rule, you will be a guy very handsome. You will look very smart and active also. And one more thing, do you know that whenever he is going to sleep at night, that one also he goes to bed early at bed. Yes, go to bed early. Not like that 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock it is time and you are not going to bed. That one is not good thing. So when you should go at on time, that means if you are getting up at the 4 o'clock, then you have to calculate at least 8 hours you should sleep. Otherwise, you won't be fit. Our body need at least 8 hour time for sleeping, for rest. Without sleeping throughout the day, we are doing lots of work. Is it? So afterwards, we have to take the rest. Otherwise, our body won't work. I have told you that our body is just like a machine, and each machine needs rest. So our body also needs rest. Is it? It also needs rest. So all of you calculate the time, at least 8 hour time, sleeping time never skip the meal. That means the dinner. Never skip. It happens that after doing so many work throughout the day, you are feeling sleepy, is it? But that one is not good thing. What the thing you should always you should have the dinner. Afterwards, you have to brush your teeth in proper way. Then you have to go to bed. Is it clear? And one more thing, you should not put any mobile very near to you. Is it clear? Because from the mobile different kind of radiations are coming. So let it be away from you. Is it? So on that time you are sleeping. It does not require, is it? So you can be a healthy child in this way, and always you should eat the healthy food. Which one your mother or your parent will tell you, is it? So whatever your parents are saying you have to follow those things, and you have to keep your belongings clean also. Yes, that you are being clean, that one is not sufficient. Whatever the belongings you have, those things also need to be clean. Otherwise, the germs will come from those belongings. While you are sleeping, while you are staying in your reading room, you are reading, so that room also need to be clean. Whenever you are taking one book, after reading the book, you should keep the book in the same place. Is it? Whenever you need one toy, you are playing, it's okay. But after playing the toy, you should keep the toy in the same place where it was. Is it clear? So each and everything should be in the proper place inside your room. In this way also, you can be a healthy child. Is it? Next, see here one life skill is there. Helping your mother and other family members in doing their work also keeps you fit, healthy and happy. List 2 things that you can do to help them. Is it? So first thing, I have told you lots of rules. Which one if you will follow, definitely you will be a fit and healthy child. Is it? But sometimes if you will do work, just like the household work, if you can help your elders, yes, that in that way also you can be fit and healthy. Because if you will consume more amount of food on that time, we are suffering from obesity, is it? So on that time, little amount of work we need to do. So you also help them to your different family members who are there. So do you know any work to help by the which you can help them? See here, if you are able to clean the floor, you should write here. If you are able to clean the TV, yes, if you are able to clean the car, this kind of different works you can do. And one more thing, I have told you that whenever you are eating, you should wash your hands, and whenever you are using any belongings, any object, after using, please keep all the object in their own place. Is it? In this way, that one also one kind of help to your family members. Is it clear? So all of you go through the lesson, and what the things I have told you, these all the things you should follow. Is it? And I have given you the homework. Is it? So from our book, all of you complete your homework and go through the lesson. Be prepared for our online exam. All the very best.